and it strikes like lightning. In the blink of an eye, and it's frightening. Every time it strikes me, I come alive, and that just ain't like me. I'll admit it, you entice me. Now come inside. I mean, you could be my thing. Girl, you got a vibe that I gotta get. You don't even gotta try, girl, you got a gift. I can feel your eyes on me, baby. Your touch is like fire, full of crazy, but I like it. Would I ever lie to you, maybe? I mean, I might just so you won't hide from me, baby. Cause I can't comply with that, baby. I might just go crazy. Whoa, the heat of your loving is spread like a wildfire. Whoa, and I like it, and I like it. Whoa, the heat of your loving is spread like a wildfire. Whoa, the heat of your loving is spread like a wildfire. The heat of your loving is spread like a wildfire. Fire. Look, girl, shit. You the only one that I come around with. You the only one that I fuck around with. And they tell me that love's a roller coaster. You the one I'm trying to travel up and down with. I'ma take you to all those places you never been before. And you know that I'll be patient, girl. You I got minutes for. You the only one that I spend my time on. So when something's wrong, that's the only problem I got my mind on. Till there's nothing wrong, she the only one for me, one for me. She know I'ma come for her, get her comfortable till I get all up inside of her, make her come for me. I'ma ride for her, she gon' ride for me like whoa, whoa, whoa. The heat of your loving is spread like a wildfire. Whoa, and I like it, and I like it. Whoa, the heat of your loving is spread like a wildfire. Whoa, the heat of your loving is spread like a wildfire. The heat of your loving is spread like a wildfire.